Hello guys, my name is Dennis and thank you for coming to my channel. And today it's the day 9 of driving my Tesla Model Y. And today also I'm gonna show you the new update that I installed today. I'm gonna check what is inside of that update, and also I'm gonna show you the one accessory that I got for my Tesla Model Y. It's not supposed to be for Tesla, it's for any car, but I think it's really useful accessory that you're gonna have in any car. I'm gonna show it to you right now. Just let me go to my parking lot. That's my parking lot entrance. Okay, now I'm gonna pay. I'm not gonna pay. I'm just gonna put my card to enter the parking lot. And let's go to my parking spot. Let's check if I have some chargers available. Looks like yes. 1, 2 chargers available right now. Perfect. Okay, let me park. Okay, let me put my car to the charger. Sorry for the sound, it's train coming. Alright, that's the charger. Just click here on that thing and plug it in. Perfect. Alright. Okay, now I'm inside of the car and let me show you the new accessory. Not accessory, let me show you the new software update. Software, and it's release notes. No, not for first time. Let me press again and we'll see what we have in this update. Okay, we have autopilot maximum speed. Let's see what says. The autopilot maximum speed has been increased from 80 to 85 miles. Perfect, I like that. Next, additional bottom bar customization. What they have, you can now add vehicle controls such as defrost, windshield wipers, and seat heater to the bottom of the bottom bar. That was before. Child lock, I think that was the same thing as before. Additional mobile app, the same thing. Dog mode and camp mode, and new language supported also that was before. I mean, nothing really interesting instead of the autopilot maximum speed. Perfect. And also, like I told you before, if you watched my videos before, that I have some problem with the dash cam, and looks like after this update everything is fine. Nice, working, perfect. Century. Yeah, we have clips there in Century. Dashcam, I believe there's gonna be no dashcam clip. No, there's actual one clip there. I don't know why it's there, but anyway. Yeah, and okay. And alright guys, let me show you the accessories that I got for my Tesla Model Y. I believe it's very useful accessories. They're accessories that you need really if you want to breathe well, if you want to be in a good air. Let me show it soon. Let's go on the back of the car. Alright, and over here is that accessory. It's cleaning the air inside of the car, and it's really working great. I'm gonna show it to you right now how it works. I'm gonna smoke right now my vape, and you will see. Let me just take my vape. Alright, and and let's check. And I got this accessory actually in AliExpress. I'm gonna add link, I think, in the description. And you see the air quality right now is 99.99, it's back. And after a few seconds, it's gonna be clear. Gonna be good. You see it's now 42, 44, 144. Now it's perfect. And if you smoke cigarettes, it's also remove the old smell from your car and everything. How it's called? It's called, I forgot how it's called actually, but I'm gonna write in the description. And yeah, alright guys, and thank you for watching this video about my Tesla Model Y. I'm gonna see you on my next video, and please guys, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave some comments. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Bye guys, bye.